morning, guys. Good morning. Say good morning today.
Hi guys.
It's another week, another day. How you guys doing today? Hope you all are doing good. I'm walking a bit get to the bus stop. Are you okay?
Yeah.
And the weather is so nice. Bye. We're off to school. Okay, guys. Let me go for a walk, okay? Let me go for... I don't think I want to jump rope today, okay? But let me go for a walk around the neighborhood. Yeah. Then I will go home, go take my shower and continue the vlog. Let me walk like about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, because that one is good for my leg also. Then how you guys doing today? It's another new day, another wonderful day. I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. You are welcome, you are welcome. And if you are not new, you have been watching me but you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and join the family, okay? Subscribe, put on your bell. I love you guys. Oh, the weather is so nice. That's why I would have jumped rope, okay? I don't want to the space on my phone. If I jump right now to make another video for my fitness channel, I will not have enough space to continue this vlog. So therefore, let me just use the space to do my vlog, okay? Okay guys, let me walk a little bit and I will see you guys later, okay? I've walked for about 5 minutes right now. I'm almost getting home, but I'm not done walking. I want to quickly check home to see if Alessia is awake, okay? I want to make sure she's awake, she's taking a shower so that she can get ready for school. I need to be sure because then I'll continue my walking. If I don't check her right now, she might be still sleeping. Uh-oh, is it going to rain? Uh-oh, why now? It's dropping. Uh-oh, it's about to rain. I don't think I will continue the walk. Why now? It's just a shower or what? Not today. Let me check. Let me open the door and see if this girl is awake. But when I took her bigger to the bus stop, she was still lying down. Alessia. 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 She's still sleeping. I'm happy I came back. I knew it. Alessia, are you not going to school? You see, I'm happy. Get up, go take a shower. go take a shower. Thank God I came back. I'm going for a walk. You see? I'm happy I came back. Let me see if the rain is still. If it's raining, I can continue my walk. Oh, I can continue my walk. It's raining. Let me show you guys. Yeah. What? You see, guys, I think I'm going to end it. The walking for today is done. I can walk. Okay, let me just go and take my shower. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done taking my shower. Or I don't know. You get ready to take care of my kitchen. Oh, this rain just spoiled my day. This rain have messed up my day. Why? What can I do? Let me tidy up the kitchen. You see all these children? Let me tidy the kitchen. I'll see you guys later.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys. My plan have changed. Before I go take my shower, I decided to clean the backsplash of the kitchen because of built up oil. Okay, I've already started. I've already sprayed some stuff on it. Yeah. Then when I'm done, I'll quickly cook some okra pepper soup because it's raining. You know, you have to cook according to the weather. It's raining. I decided to cook okra pepper soup. I've already brought out the meat that I'm going to use. Then let me quickly finish up with this one, guys. Just want to show you guys. I on the ring light so that I can see more better. Okay, just, you know, game change. Let me clean that thing. I just look at it. I don't like the way it looks. I decided to clean it up. Okay, so water.
Swan again, nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. Can change a man, don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa see the answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man, that's all the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see,
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I am back. I've done a lot since I left you guys. I did a lot behind the camera. I'm done cooking anyway. I'm done cooking my okra pepper soup. Let me show it to you guys. This is my okra pepper soup, okay? I added pepper soup spice into this soup. I'm done cooking. And look at the wall, guys. Look at the wall. Let me put the ring light so that you guys can see. Let me show you guys the wall. See? Like more better like this. See the wall? It's not clean. No more oil stain. Yep. All right, now I want to go to Amma's house, okay? I want to go to Amma's house. I want to go and make her hair. Let me turn this one off. I will just off the stove. Oh, hold on. Guys, I'm coming. I've turned on the stove, okay? Then I will cover it halfway through. Okay, now I'll see you guys when I get to Mama Sita house. Let me off my ring light and keep my ring light. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to Mama Sita house, okay? My soup is there. I'll leave all this one here. When I come back, I want to go and make Amma's hair. Off the lights. I have my laptop. I'll be taking my laptop, my charger with me. I have my laptop. Got my laptop inside the bag. Let's go to Mama Sita house. Let's go to Mama Sita house. The weather is so nice today. It rained earlier this morning. I think the time now is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. And the sun is coming out a little bit. Mama Sita. Let's go make Mama Sita hair. Ooh. Mama Sita, what are you doing?
This house is too dirty.
Oh, you cleaning?
Yeah.
You're not going to make your hair anymore?
Yeah, let me make my hair first. My hair first now. Dora, I can't finish today.
Yeah, show me to buy.
I will go okra soup or something.
I just finished my okra soup. I just finished cooking. Okay.
Let me do my hair first.
Okay, yeah, let's do your hair first then. To finish up. Okay.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys, I'm done with the hair. Look at. Let me turn around. Turn around. Oh. Hold on. I make this one too long. the hair. My sister look like Ovialeke now. Okay, Abigail, let's go. I'm done, guys. I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm done with Mama Sita hair. Now you have to finish your cleaning.
Yeah.
Did you say hi to them? Just say hi. Hi, Mama Sita is tired. Okay, guys. I'll see you when I get home. Alright. Okay, guys. I'm just here to end the vlog right now. I'm here to end the video. Please, when I came back from my friend's house, I was not even able to vlog again. I didn't do much. All we just did was eat dinner. Yeah, we all ate dinner. That was it. There was nothing much really, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video, okay? I'll see you guys in my next vlog, okay? I'm so tired. I took off my scarf. I just ate and I'm tired and I just want to relax now. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.